Tired of high wiring costs and slow data sharing?
Wouldn't it be great to share data efficiently over a single Ethernet cable for two systems? Meet Aquila Innovations.
An innovative solution for efficient data sharing. Aquila Ethernet Binder devices make it possible to transfer data over one Ethernet cable, significantly reducing costs. How it works. With Aquila, you connect two systems using a single Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable, with devices at both ends, followed by network setup. Plus, enjoy high-speed connectivity and easy integration into existing setups. With Aquila, you'll experience cost savings on wiring, gigabit speeds for data sharing, and effortless scalability for your network. Sounds exciting?
Upgrade your network today with Aquila Ethernet Binder devices. Contact i.aquilatech.it.